What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a basic ABC medium drop fade. Shout out to Cuz from Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? If you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe right now. Thank you. All right, let's get to the video. This is my third video of the day. I'm excited. That's it, really. It's very important that you subscribe. I found out the other day about 76% of the people that watch the channel don't subscribe. The Barber Illuminati has a problem with that. So it's very important that you subscribe to the channel to help encourage me to keep producing those all detachable blade haircuts. All right, I'm gonna be using my OCTANE one more time. All right, let's get to it. Hey, you already know my style. The left side of the haircut has already been completed. I left this portion here just to share with you guys my all detachable blade fitting techniques as usual. Let's go! This video is going to be fast and effective. My man Nexton has a concert to go to. We cannot waste any time with this video here. This man has to go. About 55 miles away from here. So we cannot waste any time with this video. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois, and we are not hard to find. If you're in Waukegan, Illinois looking for a barber school to develop your skills, to get your license on, this is the place. Alright, I'm creating my first guideline with the OA blade as usual. If you're familiar with watching my videos, you can easily predict what I'm going to do. But yes, this is my OA blade, first guideline. Let me zoom in a little. Bingo. Alright. OA blade, first guideline. This is my third video of the day. I'm excited. This time, the Barber Illuminati is truly back. I'm determined to reach my goal of 1,000 videos or more by December 31st. I'm excited. Hey, I'll probably reach my goal by the time the summer get here. If I keep recording like this, by the time the summer 2022 get here, I'm going to be way past my goal. That would be a thing to see. Okay, 000 into the OA as usual. 000 into the OA. Into the 000 as usual. You guys already know my style. I'm not doing anything different here. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat some of the OA part of the guideline. A little bit of the 000 back here. All right, I'm gonna move on to the second guideline quickly. I'm gonna comb the hair a little. All right, right now I have my 1.5 on. I'm gonna break down the boat with the grain. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. Here we go. Now this is my 1.5. Create my second guideline. I'm very strategic with the 1.5. I don't want to have to create a harsh line in front of it. All right, 1A into the 1.5. Where's my 1A? Wait a minute. Oh, I found it. 1A into the 1.5.
I'm gonna do that again to have the eyebrow.
Sure, sure. There's a crazy guy here. He would keep opening the door. Looks like he's gonna get service, but he's not. He just left his mind. It's okay. In this world, there's a variety of different types of people. I love them all. Some have their mind, some lost it. Some like 50-50. Whatever. I love them all. All right. Now, my 1 into the 1A. Boom. My OA into the 1. Easy. Easy. I don't want to get too excited here. Majority of the blend is taking place mostly back here below the occipital bone. It's fairly easy on the side. Back here, the hair is the darkest. I just dropped my 000. Oh my God. All right, it's perfect. It did great. Thank God. Boom. All right, when you drop your blade or your guard or whatever, you gotta clean it, people. All right. I have the 000. You know what? The sticking is way too far from where I'm standing. That's what it is. This is my first time ever dropping a blade ever. But the sticking is way too far from where I'm standing. Wow. But anyway, the show must go on. All right. Quickly, I'm gonna repeat the same steps. Due to the fact that it's a little extra dark under there, I'm going to include the number 2 guard, number 2 blade actually, and then I'm going to repeat the steps from the second guideline below it. Done. All right, here we go. This is my 2. I just want to I want a bigger blade just to reach the above the 1.5 a bit to make the blend a little softer. And then I'm going to repeat the blend one more time in the second guideline, and that'll be it. Alright, 1.5 to pick up the small residue, break it down the bulk. Boom, oh man, we're looking good. Alright, quickly I'm going to repeat the steps from the second guideline to make the blend nice and smooth. And I had already made a rough draft of the front hairline. I'm just going to revisit that one more time, yada yada yada, and that's it. I'm telling you, all the detachable blade haircuts are easy, only if you follow my system. I'm telling you, I make this thing so easy. Thanks to the Barber Illuminati, detachable blade haircut is getting somewhat a little bit of a steam online on YouTube. Yes, a lot of barbers are pretending to be doing all detachable blades. It's okay. I forgive them. It's fairly easy, y'all. It's unfortunate all the big time famous barbers with 300, 400, 500 or million subscribers can't touch this. It's unfortunate. But hey, whatever. But I am the Barber Illuminati, the all detachable blade factory. I should have called it factory. This is very clever. All detachable blade factory. Alright, I got the one here. And then I'm going to do a little bit of that OA under there. And then that will complete this blend here. As far as I can see. Alright. Alright, I'm going to touch up the lining a little bit. After that, we're going to get out of here. I'm going to go find me something to eat. I didn't have lunch today. I left my lunch in the refrigerator. Alright, we're gonna revisit the hairline on the other side also, make it nice and crispy. We're gonna do a quick span, then I'm gonna let next thing go to his concept. I've been knowing this kid ever since he used to cry in the barber shop. Way back then. He used to cry a lot at the barber shop. However, he grew out of it. He's a big boy now. Senior in high school. Incredible. Incredible. Going to the prom? Will there be a prom anyway?
Yeah.
There will be? No, if you don't hear about prom by now, maybe there will be not a prom.
I think it's focused on the situation right now.
Oh, okay. So the question is, are you going to the prom?
Yes.
All right then, that's it. That's all I want to know. All right, YouTube. Langston will be going to the prom. I'm gonna follow him around with my camera the whole night. You will have no privacy to do anything foolish. Yeah, that's it. The prom will be recorded. I'm kidding, y'all. All right, YouTube. This is a cut. I'm gonna bring the camera back a little. Then we're gonna do a quick spin. This is a cut. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. The all detachable blade factory. This is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me raise the chair a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Is it mine back? Oh, that's it. Okay. You have a phone, right? Yep. Okay, you can call it. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is a Barber Illuminati production. The all detachable blade Messiah. The originator. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.